It happens to the majority of couples who have been together a long time. Whether you're picking up a dirty sock or rocking a sick baby all night or going out to dinner so exhausted you can barely hold your head up, you look at each other and ask, where has all the passion gone? You begin feeling isolated and alone or resentful and angry at your partner. Today on Reaction Reset, we're talking about how to keep it hot when you have small kids at home. You don't just drift apart. What ends up happening is couples get together. They look forward to raising a child together. They just don't consider the emotional and physical drain of day to day on their marriage. And before they know it, it's gone. They no longer know each other. They feel disconnected. Rediscovering your desire is an inside job. However, it's something the two of you need to work on together. Prioritizing your intimacy and your sexual desire is the glue to a healthy relationship, and it's important in keeping your marriage and your family together. If you're having medical issues that are affecting your desire, then it's important that you go and seek help with a medical professional who takes care of sexual dysfunction. Hormones and different body functions can actually affect your sexual appetite, and it's important that you get that checked if you're finding that that feels like it's standing in your way. With that being said, these are 6 techniques that are prescription free and can help you find your sexual desire again. Number 1, try something new together. Now, this is very important because you have to schedule it on your calendar or it's not going to happen. Sign up for a new class, maybe dancing, maybe pottery, maybe wine tasting, cooking class. It's important to keep the communication going. And also we found that when couples do new things together, their sexual desire rises. The couples who sit silently over dinner and have nothing to say to each other, they're letting their work and family issues take over their relationship. Share secrets together. There's a reason that relationships need to share secrets together. What happens intimately between the two of you should be between the two of you. Keep it that way. Don't let anyone else penetrate that boundary. That's a sacredness. This keeps couples really feeling exclusive and desired. When you know that your partner knows things about you that are safe with your partner and aren't going to be shared with anyone else, it heightens your sexual desire for them. Number 3, have each other's back. By that I mean, if your partner is ill or maybe they're working late on a project, the other partner should be able to pick up for them, take their load, and take it in stride without complaining about it. What's important with that is you're a team. Act like one. This raises sexual desire. Sleep enhances desire. In fact, from the Journal of Sexual Medicine, we found that every hour of sleep a woman gets extra, her sexual desire goes up 14%. That's a lot. When women and men get more sleep, their stress goes down, they feel better, they have a better mood, and guess what happens? Sexual desire goes up. So help your partner out. If they've been up all night with the baby and you still want to have sex at your date night, then take over for them. Take the baby. Not only for yourself, but you know your partner's going to be more in the mood. Number 5 is save time for romance. Nobody should go to sleep at night without having at least one connection of romance a day. Don't have time? Make time. A foot massage, a shoulder massage, a nice warm bath together. These are efforts toward raising sexual intimacy by showing your partner you're romantically interested. It makes a big difference. In fact, for couples who are healing after a surgery or maybe have a chronic illness, romance, the practice of romance once a day can heighten their sexual desire. And when they're feeling better, they'll feel more sexual towards you. Number 6, schedule intimacy. Couples who make plans and prioritize and schedule intimacy and sex have intimacy and sex. Couples who don't complain about not having intimacy and sex. It's really important, guys. If it's not on the calendar, it's not going to happen. People are busy. You're busy. And if you have kids at home, looking forward to one sexual date a week really is fun, and you can make it what you want. You can create the atmosphere. You can take your time for it. If it takes you a little bit more time, start early. Get a babysitter for the kids or get them to bed early and enjoy the evening, the two of you. Your relationship isn't over just because the sexual desire is gone. You do need to nurture it and refuel it though. These tips offered are going to help you do this. Remember, change your reaction, change your world.